Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 6th, chapter 5 Understanding Elementary Shapes, part 1. Students, this chapter is not there for your assessment, but it is concept building chapter, and that's why you have to learn all the things which are taught in this chapter. You have to keep all the points in your mind which are going to help you for the next year and the upcoming year after that. Students, these are the concept building chapters which we are actually teaching you, but definitely as 30% syllabus is reduced, so it will not come for your assessment. Okay students, but the things you have to remember what we are teaching you here. So let us begin with what is there in this chapter. Okay students, the first topic is a line. Now what is a line? Here is a definite definition for the line. A line is a straight set of points that extend in opposite direction. It has no endpoints. Now as you can see, this is a line, but why it is said as set of points? So as you will see, the line is actually made up of so many points which are very close to each other, and it is never ending endpoints. These are not endpoint, but these are the corners which actually extends ahead. The arrow means on both the side that it could be increased in length from left and right direction. Okay, so this is called a line. Now what is next? Let us see. Next is a line segment. Now what is a line segment? A line segment is a part of line which has defined endpoints. It has two endpoints. So this is a part of a line. So what is a segment? Segment means only a part. So this much part is actually taken from the line. That's why it is called as segment of the line, that is line segment, which has a definite endpoint. It has a complete length. That means whatever desired, suppose 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 meters, it could be anything. Okay, but it has a definite length. Okay, and definitely it has a beginning point and an ending point. That is, two end points are surely there. What is the next one? Let us see. The next is right angle. A right angle means which is exactly having the measure of 90 degree. This you can measure with the help of protractor. The D-shaped protractor is been available in your geometry box. With that you can make a 90 degree angle, and this 90 degree angle has two arms. This is one arm of the angle, and this is second arm of the angle, and both the arms are meeting exactly at an angle of 90 degree. A 90 degree is been shown with the help of this kind of box. Okay, so right angle is exactly 90 degree angle. Next comes acute angle. Now what is acute angle? The angles which are having the measure less than 90 are called acute angles. Now, two angles here I have drawn for you. These can be from this side. You can use a protractor, right? And without protractor also you can just observe and answer that whether the given angle is acute or not. For that you have to take an imaginary straight line with one of the arm of the given angle. So this is one arm and this is second arm of the angle drawn. So I am taking this arm fixed, and this is an imaginary dotted line which is actually making a 90 degree, as you can see. If both are exactly straight, it is forming a 90-degree angle. And as you can see, my second arm of the angle is actually inside the 90. Right, see the 90-degree forming one arm is here, and still this arm has not reached here. So this is less than 90. It could be 10, it could be 15 degree. Okay, so not 90 but less than 90. So second arm comes between or inside 90, then we can say that this is an acute angle. This is left side drawn, and suppose here I have taken a second example where one arm fixed I have taken from the given angle, one arm I have taken this. And second is imaginary dotted line, as you can see here, which is forming one complete 90-degree angle. But as you can see, the second arm has not yet reached 90. It is in between, or it is in the middle of 90. So even this is called as an acute angle. Maybe this is 60 degree. You can measure the angle with the help of protractor, but suppose if you are being asked to guess the given angle, whether it is acute or whether it is right angle, so with the help of this imaginary line in your mind, you can exactly say that whether it is acute or not. Now let us see the next one. The next one is obtuse angle. Now what are obtuse angle? The angles whose measures are more than 90, they are greater than the 90-degree angle, then that kind of angles or these kinds of angles are then called as obtuse angles. Now here one example I had taken, as you can see here. Again the black drawn is the given angle. I have taken the one arm of the given angle fixed, and with that I had drawn a dotted imaginary line which is actually forming a 90-degree angle here. Okay, but as you can see, my second arm is not in between this 90. It has gone beyond 90, this angle has crossed 90 and went ahead, as you can see here. So when this is actually crossing, the arm is crossing this imaginary 90, we can guess that this is an obtuse angle. Okay, in obtuse angle, the 90-degree imaginary arm comes in between the given angle. Okay, and what you have seen in acute angle, the arm of the given angle was coming in between the 90-degree. Here 90 is coming in between the angle, given angle, right? So this is how you are going to observe and guess whether the given angle is obtuse or not. The second one is here, as you can see. Here is one of the arm I have taken fixed for the given angle. This is the whole given angle. And one arm I have taken fixed, and after that fixing line I had drawn the imaginary straight line with this, which is forming the 90-degree angle here, as you can see. But as you can see, the second arm has actually crossed 90 and gone beyond 90. So the given angle is called the obtuse angle. You can guess by whether the angle is closing or opening. If the angle is closing like this, these are closing angles, means in very short while they are going to come together on one above the other. Could you see? They are closing angles. So closing angles are called acute angles. And opening angles, these are opening. You could see these are opening angles. So when the angles are opening, you can say that these are obtuse angles. Now what is next? Let us see. Next is straight angles. Now what are straight angles? The angles which are measuring exact 180 degree are called straight angles. And while making a straight angle, you will notice that both the arms of the given angle are forming one straight line. So if the arms of the given angle forms a straight line facing opposite to each other, this is right side, and this is left side. So they are not facing, they are exactly opposite to each other. Then these are called straight angles, and when you are going to measure them from anyhow, they are going to complete one whole protector. That is called the 180 degree angle, and when it is forming 180 degree, then these angles are called as straight angles. You can see that imaginary line, this is exactly forming a 90 degree angle here also and 90 degree angle here also. So together 90 plus 90 is total of 180. Okay, so this comes exactly in between the given angle, and the angle's arms are actually forming one straight line, and so this angle is called as straight angle. What is next? Let us see. Next is reflex angle. What are reflex angles? The angles which are measuring more than 180 degree are called reflex angles. That means not straight line, but they go beyond that. So not 180, but they are forming more than 180. So as you can see, we can draw one imaginary line here which is actually forming a straight line with this arm of the, and as you can see it has gone beyond that 180. Then this angle is called reflex angle. You have one more example. This is another example of reflex angle. As you can see, when you're going to draw one imaginary straight line with this arm of the angle, could you see? So this is the straight line, but here the measurement angle is actually going beyond this, right? The angle is actually from down and gone beyond. So this is called, you could see this is the angle which has formed down, but instead of stopping here at 180, it has gone beyond 180. So this is also an example of reflex angle. Next is complete angle. What are complete angle? The angles whose measurements are exactly 360 degree. That means starting from a one point. You could see only one arm is there. Actually, this is not only one arm. These are two arms, but one above the other, and that's why second arm you cannot see, because taken one whole complete circulation and comes again back to the point where it has started. So this is called a complete angle. It is taking one whole round, you could see, and comes here once again where it has started. So started with 0, taken the full round, and then came back again to 0. That is called one complete angle. And what is the measure of complete angle? That means when protector half completed and another half down, so two protectors, right? That means 180 plus 180, that is called 360 degrees. So I hope student you understood that when a complete circle is being formed, what is the measure of one complete circle? It is 360 degree. Now the next one is perpendicular lines. What are perpendicular lines? The lines which are intersecting each other at a point. So this point is the point of intersection. Point of intersection means the point where both the line touch each other. And how they touch? That when they are meeting, the angles formed by them all are 90. Here also 90, here also 90, here also 90, and here also 90. Then these line L and line M are called perpendicular lines. So what are perpendicular lines? The lines which are intersecting at a point and forming 90 degree angles all over 4 directions, right? All the 4 parts are 90, 90, 90, 90. Then such lines are called perpendicular lines. What's next? Let's see. Okay students, so with the help of this clock, I will be explaining to you that how the revolutions of the arms of these minute and hour hands are being seen and how they have been observed, and we could answer them. Now one thing you have to keep in mind, that every time when the revolution is made, they are being considered with respect to 90-degree angle. Okay student? So 90 degree. So as you can see, what angle is formed, or we can say the watch or this clock has been divided into 4 equal 90s, right? So from this part, as you could see, right, how many parts are here? As you can, I'm drawing one imaginary line here. See, this is 1 and this is 2. So you can see this part is been divided into 3 parts, right? Each part is 1, that is coming towards one of the number, again one of the number, again one of the number. So 3 parts, 3 out of how many? These are 3 out of total. How many parts are there? As you can see, this is coming towards 1. So whole clock has been divided into like this 12 parts. You can see here 1 part, here 2 part, here comes 3. So here will come 4, here will come 5, straight 6, then 7th part, then 8th part, 9th part, then comes 10th part, 11th part, and this is the 12th part. So whole clock is been divided into total 12 parts. Now out of this is forming what angle? See, this arm is straight and this arm is straight. So these are actually, this kind is actually forming 90-degree angle, and 90-degree angle means what part of revolution? It will be 1 from total, 1, 2, 3 parts are there. So it will be 3 parts from total 12, right? Of that is 3 1s and 3 4s, 1/4 revolution. What it will be? 1/4 revolution. You understood? So what is 1/4 revolution of the clock? How much angle does it form? It forms 90 degree. You understood? Now let us see the next one. Now suppose I turn this arm here towards 6. Okay. So what angle is formed? As you could see, both the arms are actually straight. Okay, wait. Both the arms are straight. What angle is formed? Correct, straight angle, right? Forming 180 degree. Both the arms are straight, so they are forming one complete line. So this is actually one. Which angle? It is straight angle. Very good. And what revolution does it make? How many parts? 6 parts taken from total 12. So 6 upon 12, 6 1s, 6 2s. That is called half revolution. What it will be called as? Half revolution. Okay. Now suppose this arm, I turn it here. Now from here it went and came here. Could you see? So how much part covered? It has covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 more and 3 more. How many? Total 9 parts out of total 12. So what revolution it has made? 9, 3, 3s are 9 and 3, 4s are 12. That is 3/4 of revolution. You understood? Okay, so how 3 parts have been covered? 1, 2, 3, this much one part, this is second part, and this is third part. Whole watch actually in 4 equal perpendicular lines have been divided. Like this one straight will come, and like this will straight. From 4 parts, total 3 parts have been travelled by this arm hand, this R hand, right? And only this much is made. Now suppose if both the arms comes here. So what you can say? What it is? It has covered full rotation, right? That means from here started and ended here back again to 0. So one complete revolution. What angle? Correct, 360 degree angle. Understood? So this is how the revolution of the clock arms could be asked to you, and then accordingly you could answer that whether it is obtuse angle, acute angle, like that. Suppose if this is there, they ask you what angle is made by the arm of the clock. So this is, see, beyond 90, because 90 is here. As you can see, when I'm going to place it on 3, it is complete 90, but it is beyond 90. So this is an obtuse angle. And how much revolution it might have passed, that is asked. When if this is there, then this has formed half revolution, like that. Okay, now suppose the minute hand is on 2, okay, and this is on 5. How many parts are covered? You could see 1 part, 2 part, 3 parts. So if 3 parts are there, that means total of 90 degree angle is formed. Always remember, when 3 parts are covered, you try to divide your clock into equal parts according to the numbers given. And when 1, 2, 3 parts are being taken, or you can say 3 parts are covered by the given angle, then definitely it is forming 190 degree angle in that. Okay, so like that, with the help of this clock and with the help of the arms of the clock, they may ask you that please tell us that what angle is formed here. Now as you can see, 11 and 5, it is actually forming one straight line. Could you see? So when straight line is there, you will definitely tell that it is forming 180 degree angle, that is called as straight angle. Okay, so the arms could be changed to any direction, and then they may ask you that please tell what rotation or what is the angle made here. Now could you see, one arm is on 9, another arm is on 6, and the revolution is asked still here. So it is an reflex angle because gone beyond 180. Okay students, so I hope you have understood this. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope you have understood all the parts of the geometrical things, that is line segment, perpendicular lines, all kind of angles, okay, and how the revolutions are made by the hands of the clock and what angles we can see in them. I hope you have understood everything very clearly. Keep all these things in your mind which are going to help you in future. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.